Burger Rippy over here at Plain City. The final show, the Speedster taking off. That's one of my favorite cars. Husband and wife. Kind of a gray ghost, isn't it? But you have the lawnmower guy, but he's got snowblowers in the front yard for sale. September 26th, the final show, 2024. There's 7 deep in the backfield. I'm going to dissect the field up this way. It's a number 3. It's an Intimidator. Quarter mile car. Races on asphalt in Lorraine. And another place up there towards Cleveland. They offset the engine in this class, and it has a 19-year-old driver. Let's get there's your quick change. Nice pup over here. Got a little Chevy Power HEI. Get your open drive shaft with the loops. About weight distribution.
Pardon?
It's about weight distribution.
Yeah.
Throw it into the curve. The header's extra long on this side. Outlaw Super Modified Sprint Series. I think the cable television was covering those for a while. But I don't have the cable television, so. But it was like 100 days with no rain out here. And then the hurricane came. Lots of trucks in this field. There's a Super K5 in orange with a 500 and something or other, like 700 horsepower engine. And it's K5. Tons of Mustangs. Some beautiful ones. This one's a scarlet and gray. Which the Buckeyes play Michigan State Saturday. Is that what? Porsche Carreras. But a lot of trucks. Tailgating over here. These newer ones have these LED lights underlit. Oh, there's a NSX over here. This Mini Cooper, the guy bought it new. It was back in the 90s. So beautiful trucks, antiques, beautiful Mustangs and Vets. Another pub. Remember this guy from somewhere. This dolly truck over here. Okay, I see the NSX over there. Big 4-door cab. Yes, a dolly. Beautiful Chevy trucks. Teal. I almost want to say that's a Peugeot. I'm not sure, but a foreign car back there of some sort. Some Mopars, which there's a 71, which was the first car I had. Had that same engine in it too. Mine was green. Can't remember. Was it a black or white stripe? I forget. That was 40 years ago or more. Huh. These Mopars, and that's what my Roadrunner had, that 383 mag. The purple from Chrysler, the barn over here. There's a ton of people here tonight. Big show car at DeSoto. But Dave doesn't have his wing car out here. I was hoping so. This NSX was from over by the Indiana line registered, I think. Could be wrong. Maybe from Dayton. It's got dust on it. I was kind of wondering if those had a gull wing door. I think they might have like a Lamborghini door or just a regular door. Rear engine. Just kind of looks ominous there in these clouds, that silver and black. It's original. I mean, it's not waxed up or anything. That was cool. Someone brought their car over, the NSX. which they have a club. And then this one's from the late 40s. And this DeSoto, won a lot of trophies, that one. Here's a fast Pontiac 2-door. Another one over here, the sister to the Nova. This car was sold new in, it appears to have, in Lynchburg, Virginia. The Ventura. So I'm thinking of that Jesse Ventura guy too. His name's not Ventura. Then Karma Electra, her name's not Electra. And they grab their names from cars like the Buick Electra and then Jesse Ventura. And then Jesse Ventura, he was a Navy SEAL and he was a member of the Mongols Motorcycle Club. Catalina. And then I actually knew a Hispanic lady, and she had a long weird name, and then she changed her name to Catalina. I don't know what her real name was. It's a Ventura 2 actually. I don't remember that, but that's what it says. It's a Ventura 2. Yeah, they had a lot of cool names. Here's my friend's T-Bird over here. He made it to the show. Better late than never. Hey! One of the last ones. He went through a lot of trouble to acquire the vehicle. And those are rare too. I'm curious who owns this. Very rare to see a gremlin here. We're going up or down the road. Only got to see this car a couple times this year. The race car here. Really cool convertibles over here. Some project cars. I mean, they got them lined up out here today. This is a Buick. Pretty rare looking Buick. I'll get a little closer. This car here was in several hot rod magazines back in the day. This is a 2018 Buick. So would this be towards the end of that? We was looking at my friend's last T-Bird. And this car looks like it was sitting on the showroom floor. So I may never see one again. It says something about tour, a Regal Touring. 2018 from Buick. Pretty wild colors. These cars are always famous, and you want a white one, a black one, and a red one. This car's getting around a lot. It hasn't found a buyer yet. But Baja Bug, half-ton Chevy sitting up in here, and there was a D100, like one of those round cab Dodges back here. And the Deliverance car is over here. Kind of like that Ford truck over here. The Jeep from Ohio here. She's pretty. Here's the Deliverance car.
Oh, there you go, Mama. There's your car. And that's a classic one. That's the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
The family truckster. No, that car was from Deliverance.
Oh, okay. Okay, Deliverance. Okay.
Yep. The Deliverance station wagon. The 50 Merc. That's like a one family. I've never seen a family truckster so far. I've seen some cars that would compare to the family truckster, but so outrageous. Actually, that International I seen was like a Secret Service vehicle. So it kind of reminds me of a 3-color, and it's that red stripe on it, and the kind of a gray wheel, kind of an off green. And just the way the clouds are hitting it instead of the sun. Beautiful colors under the majestic oak trees. The final Drew Dutchman Car Show, Plain City, Ohio. Beauregard Rippey. Thanks for watching.